hope you are fine. We are here to talk about this palette from Saintangelsandsinners. This is a Grateful Heart palette from Darcy. You can find her on Etsy. I will link the shop here below. So if you'd like to know what I think, and if you'd like to see my 3 looks with this palette, stay tuned. Say hi to the dog. This is how the palette looks like. You have these teal tones, a gold, a brown, a reddish brown, a red, a pink, a white with pink reflects, a bronze rosy shade, and a gold rosy shade and a fuchsia shade. Today, and you will find this look at the end of the video, this is my 3rd look. I've used these 3 shades in here. So let's start with these finger swatches, and please apologize for the noise, but the dogs is becoming crazy today. These are the shade I have on my eyes today. I did my makeup this morning, so there are around 12 hours ago. These are the shade. They are stunning. For sure are the shade I love the most from the palette. They are very beautiful, and this pink here, I don't know if you can see, but this is also bronze and fuchsia and bronze. Look at the reflex. Oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. And this is the blue, the teal. Oh, this is amazing. They are very creamy. They do not crease. I had an issue with one shade only. That one creased on me yesterday, and I'll show you in a second. Let's go ahead with these 3 shades. Let me pick up these 2 first, and then this one. These 2 pens are quietly hard pressed, so I need to push quite a lot on the pen to get them on my finger, but with the brush it's better. Okay, this one here is the shade that creased on me yesterday. Let me check, because I'm not sure. No, this one was the shade that creased on me yesterday. I don't know why. I will for sure try this one again. This is the Dalai Lama shade, and this is a shifting one. Let me see if I can show you. Look. Yes, this is how this is shifting. It also has some greens, but they are not really visible on camera. This is the red. This is not really powdery, because I didn't have any powder on my face after applying. This is very beautiful shade, and this is the shade I had some issues, but this is the creamier of the palette, so maybe that's why. Even though I put, but look how beautiful it is. Even though I put some eye primer, my most loved eye primer from Fenty, I did have some creases at the end of the day, but it means 12 hours after I did my makeup. I need another one. This is still dirty. So last row, and this is the row I was so impressed, because the shimmery shade, the Confucius, it looks white. Okay, absolutely white, you see, but when you pick it up, this is pink. Okay, you can see some reflected, but when I applied into my eyes, look. Oh, this is amazing. Ellie Wiesel, I'm not sure it's correctly pronounced, that this brown, this is very hard, but you know that I had no issue. Look, it's quite difficult to pick it up on the finger. I did not have any issue. If I swatch it, it's swatch horrible, but on the eye you can find this one in the first and in the second look. In the second for sure, but I think also in the first, it was amazing. So sometimes shadows do not perform well while you are doing finger swatches. Sorry, but they are good on the eyes. Last one is this one. This is a little bit softer. It's a nice caramelly, I guess caramel is correct word, caramelly brown. I'm not sure I think maybe yes, maybe I've used maybe in the first look, but this is how it looks. So even though this one is watching awful, it's a very good shade. So I love the brand. I have 4 of her palette. I'm waiting for more. She's very pretty. She's very nice. Yes, a very nice girl. I was quite happy to know her on Instagram. No, sorry, let me rephrase. I was really happy to know her on Instagram, and I will for sure buy more from her. I do not have a code. I hope I will land to reach a code for you, because these are really amazing. There are 4 to 5 different palettes that are upcoming in the next months. I've pre-ordered 4, so stay tuned if you want to see more Saint Angels and Sinners palettes in the future on my channel, because they will be for sure featured in here. So I leave you to the 3 looks, and I hope you enjoy, and apologize for the noise. See you soon, bye.